fawr iawn, diolch Bob. Oh, that went all right. It's a good start. Right, trialaw, cyntaf, put ar y bys, touching the fingers. Yr ailun oedd pant corlan yr oen, the hollow at the lamb's fold. A'r trydydd un y delyn newydd. Telyn, harp, the new harp. Da iawn, diolch. Right, so those are all, everything that we play today is Welsh. Bydd yr holl lawan dyn ni chwarae heddi yn y lawan Cymraeg. They're from Wales, and they used to be played a lot. They're played a lot less now than they were 100 years ago. We almost lost them, but thanks to the efforts of the Welsh Dance Society, the Welsh Folk Dance Society, they were saved. They'd been in the National Library of Wales, so they were found from there, and there were 2 books that were published which had a lot of these tunes in, but since then lots of people have gone back and got more and more tunes out for a revival of our Welsh traditional music, which is fabulous music. And the fabulous thing about Welsh music, and like the music of Galicia, you compare it with Irish music, with Scottish music, and with music from Brittany, and you don't have harmonies, but you do in Welsh music, and you do in Galician music. So it's very special, and I hope you agree with us that it's something we need to enjoy, to play, and to hear more of. Right, now something seasonal, I did promise you, yr ail alaw, yr ail set gyda ni, world famous Welsh tune, pawb yn nabod hwn, Nos Galan, and you will recognise it as soon as we start playing it, I'm sure. We have with us, of course, the great Welsh traditional instrument. Not many of them around in the world these days, but Wales has retained them, and that is the triple harp, y delyn daeres. Mae gan y delyn daeres 3 res o danau sydd yn neud y sŵn yn arbennig iawn. The triple harp has got 3 rows of strings, which gives it a very special sound. The great exponent, of course, Robin Hugh Bowen, and you hear him around from time to time. But tonight, it's Nigel who's going to play for us, and he's going to start off this next set. So this is set Nos Galan. So we play Nos Galan first, and then we play a tune called Glan Bargoed. We'll play that twice, and then we'll play Llwyd Coed twice, and then we'll come back to Nos Galan. We'll also sing a bit of Nos Galan as well. So if anybody wants to join in, os ydych chi'n gwybod y geiriau, ymunwch hynny, please. Right, Nigel.
Thank you.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much indeed. Just to say, there is there's a society mae'n gymdeithas sydd yn ymddiddori mewn cerddoriaeth draddodiadol Gymraeg a chwarae'r alawon, a hynny yw Clera. Clera is an organisation which supports the playing of Welsh traditional musical instruments, and particularly Welsh songs. And it's a society. We have newsletters which are around. Yeah, so do help yourself if you want to find out more about it. Also, we're running tune clubs across Wales where you can learn Welsh tunes and the instruments. And we've got a website, session.com, and we've got leaflets which are around, also on the front of the stage here. Like this, fel hyn. So os oes diddordeb gyda chi, codwch chi'n ysgolwch yma. If you're interested, please pick up a leaflet. Now then, we've got... this is a set called Set a Merched. It's a set to do with ladies. The first one, the lady is Megan, Merch Megan, a well-known tune. We're going to play it a bit slower than usual because the next tune, Ffôn, I've got the chance of seeing Canolfan with a big band, and not many people get that opportunity. So I'm going to go for it. But I've got to keep the pace down a bit because otherwise I can't sing fast enough. And then we go from... Only over now, we play Ffôn again. Ffôn, you will know, the Ash Grove, quite a romantic tune. And then after that we play Megan a gollodd ei garter, Megan that lost her garter. And the last one, Y Ferch o Bwy Penderyn, wonderful Welsh love song, the girl from the parish of Penderyn. So dyma'r set, Set y Merched.
traddodiad y deithim ynghyd I Canolfan y Millenniwm o bedwar ban y byd. Ar grwth a ffibgorn ac ar ffidil a ddant, trosglwyddwn tentadaeth ein pobl ein plant, trafod o'r alawon o fewn ein cliw, bydd ysbryd yr hyn Gymru lawen yn fyw. Rwy'n clywed ei hadsain yn ber yn y gwynt, wrth sôn am wroniaid yr hyn amser gynt. Fe'i canwyd wrth ringo pum limon i'r gad, fe'i'n canol tan bymladd dros ryddid ein gwlad. Tan gysgod y deri a'r laswellt y ddôl, daw cerddi'r ein Cymru i'r galon yn ôl. Cardiff nes lawer dydd, ni alswn gari ar unrhyw arall, pa gwelais y rhoi gwir. Mae fi'n ddigon hawr a'i gweled, a yw ond tron yn fach. Ond loi mas i rodio'r caeau, yn hawl o'n fach, i ddeg yn iach. Pan o'n i'n rodio ar yw gwed, yn hollol ddiflin ti am gwaith, ni gliwn ar dderin ar y brigyn, yn diwnio'n ddiwyd ar yn faith, ac yn wedyn wrth y bynner, mae hon rwy'n tîm yn cael i'w rhyw, yn marchoi'r corff y bore boi, jar yw mam arall os fi i fyw.
Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much. That's a lovely set. Right, we've got a jig now. Bach fwy o fywyd. We're going to wake you up again. Harbour Cork, this set is called. The first one is called Torthofara, a loaf of bread. Then we've got Glandyfi, which is another jig. And then we go into Harbour Cork, which is not what some people call a genuine folk song because it was written 120 years ago. I don't quite work that out. It's a song that everybody sings. It's a great song. If you want to join in, please do. And then we finish off with one called Mopsy Don, which is the Welsh version of Upside Down. Right. Dance, please do. Diolch yn fawr iawn. That's left us very happy. Right, nawr ta. Every week, every Monday night, bob nos Llun, mae'n a sesiwn gerddoriaeth draddodiadol Gymraeg yng Nghaerdydd, yng Ngwesty'r Caio. Caio Arms in Cathedral Road. Every Monday night there's a traditional Welsh session, and most of the players here play in that session. And then once a month there is a session in Llantwit Major, and a lot of those players are here with us as well. It's held at the Swan, and third Thursday? Second Thursday of the month in the Swan in Llantwit Major, there's a Welsh session. So you can hear we know these songs because we all play them together, and we've just got a repertoire which we just play. We know there are hundreds of Welsh songs, but gannoedd ohonyn nhw, llwyth ohonyn nhw, we just don't hear enough of them, so we keep playing them because we like it, really, I suppose. But no, so I was getting around to the fact that this Llantwit Major, this is their set. The Llantwit Major have been very successful in running workshops in the last year, and this is a set that came from one of those workshops where we have a professional player who teaches the tunes. So the Llantwit players have taught it to us, so we're now going to play the set. The first tune in the set is called Tôn Alarch, which in English is Swan Song. They're a set of waltzes. They're a very gentle set of tunes, so a nice little wind down. The second one is called Ribban Morfydd, Morfydd's Ribban, and the third one is called Cainc Dafydd Broffwyd, David the Prophet's tune. But the Llantwit set are creative and innovative, and what we're going to do is play the first tune twice, then we're going to play each of the other tunes once each, and then play them again once each. See if you can spot the changes. Dyma ni ta, set Llanilltyd Fawr. Diolch yn fawr, lovely. Right, something a bit faster now. Moel yr Wyddfa next. Moel yr Wyddfa, Snowdon's Bald Summit. Yw'r alaw cyntaf, first tune. Yr ail alaw yw Pawl Haf, the Maypole. A'r trydydd un yw Fiddle Faddle. Fiddle Faddle, in English, Faddle Fiddle. Right, here we go. Set, Moel yr Wyddfa. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Yw'ch chi'n gwrando ar chwaraewyr sesiwn Caerdydd a Llynilltir Fawr a hefyd ffiniau Cymru. You're listening to session players from players of Welsh traditional music. All music you're hearing is Welsh traditional music. Some of us from Cardiff, which meets in the Caio every Monday night, if you want to look in, or Llantyrt Major every second Thursday of the month, and then on the borders, well, you have to ask them about that, I think. So this is music that is native to us, this is our music, this is special music, and there's not enough of it heard, and I'm very pleased that you're listening to us. Ferch iawn eich bod chi'n gwrando ni'n chwarae fe heno. Heddiw, pnawn ma. We've got a set now, a seasonal set, 2 songs. First one is The Holly, Y Gelynen, so the tune of the Holly, and the second one, Miggledy Maggledy, both pretty well-known Welsh tunes. Yes, so there's a chance to join in with the Miggledy Maggledy. Miggledy Maggledy, hi now now is the chorus. Miggledy Maggledy, hi now now. And then with the Gelynen, there's a Faldi Roltol, Tudi Rudi Ri. So if you want to join in, cwnewch ar bob cyfryw. Right, diolch yn fawr. Y Gelynen. And we'll just play through once in between. We'll just play through once in between. Say 22. Right. 1, 2, 3, pedal. Gyfoethion dowch yng nghyd I gyd I canol y dasben Pen canolus gweddus gwyw a enw Y Gelynen Ffoli roli rolto Tudi rydyn ri Ti roi cae canolen Pen canolus gweddus gwyw a enw Y Gelynen I babeth y gyffel y byfon I foxen con y rhywun Nair rhaid wych o glas o'n ffain yw y lasgen men Ffordd yn i'r oldol Tydir I rhaid cae canolen Nair rhaid wych o glas o'n ffain yw y lasgen men Erbyn y tro a gafodd ti a chael gyn mwyn melchen Ac eistedd mai fan rwylid wen gan gysgod pen y Gelynen Oli rod i'r oldo, gyda'r I roi cae canolen Ac ysgod mai fan rwylid wen gan gysgod pen y Gelynen Mae hi yn lawrau o'r mi allwn hwn llawen Na'i'r dywydd a fain mwy gael slim gael trwy Y Gelynen Oli rod i'r oltal, tydir I roi cae canolen Na'i'r dywydd a fain mwy gael slim gael trwy Y Gelynen
ben y mynydd wyrni magni hai naw naw a drwy ymyl at ei gilydd migri magni hai naw naw a ferdosis yn dwy maler migri magni hai naw naw dyna pam a gai fi fynd at migri magni hai naw naw
Edrych yn gloi fan hyn. Right, okay. Yes, we do a set of marches now. Ymdaith Donnau. So, if you want to do some marching, this is your chance. So we'll each one. We'll start with Captain Morgan, who you'll know, Rhyfelgyrch Captain Morgan. Then Rhyfelgyrch Gwir Harlech, the men of Harlech. Then Caerphilly March, and then the Glamorgan March. 4 marches. Okay. Start off. Plygain, okay?
Dim ond un falle, oherwydd mae amser yn prin.
Okay, right. Now, special treat. In Mid Wales, in the early hours of Christmas morning, ar fore Nadolig, yn gynnar bob blwyddyn, mae yn Nghanolbarth Cymru, there is, when a gwasanaeth arbennig, there's a special service in the rural churches, in one or two of the rural churches still, which is called Plygain. And there are traditional Welsh carols that are sung, and the rule is that anybody can start a carol and then they sing it, and it's usually done in families, and each family has its own carol. So now we're going to do one of these. This is the most well-known of all the Plygain carols, and this is Ar Gyfer Heddiw'r Fore. These are always sung in three-part harmony, tenor, bass, and soprano. So we will endeavour to deliver all three parts.
John's going to get through.
Okay, right.
Hi, John.
John's only here for 2 minutes, so.
Oh, wow. It's 10, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Hang on, John's got to.
Okay, right.
Okay, pawb yn barod?
Okay, yep.
Yeah, okay.
Ar gyfer heddiw'n fore, faban fan. Ar ganol braidd Jesed, faban fan. Ar cadan daeth o bosra, ar dedwr gynta saina. Gael ar galfanian, faban bach, yn signo bron Marian, faban bach. Cael bilod o'r Ezekiel, ar un mael, with Isaiah, Daniel, Alin Mael. Cael bachgen doedd Isaiah, rad ewydd roedd I ada. Alpha a'r Omega, Alin Mael, Iawn Cora Methlem Judah, Alin Mael. Dios God Christ o'i goron, o'i wir fod. Mwyn goron I Sion, o'i wir fod. I bladu ei lendi halog, o dan y goron drainog. I ddioddef dyrfych llyddiog, o'i wir fod. Codi pen yr eog, o'i wir fod. Anghyl bechadiad Russia, fel yr wyt. I ofyn am ynodda fel yr wyt. I tir a glorwydd ffynon, a uwch gyglwyau dion. Fel air y gwyn yn salmon, fel yr wyt. Gan Harry Tyrdan brydlon, fel yr wyt.
Iawn fawr. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Right. Right. Right, now just Un set fach cyn I ni wneud y set olaf. Dyma set Hen Ferchetan. This set is called Hen Ferchetan. It starts off with Farewell i'r Marian. Yes, goodbye to the seashore. A very poignant moment for the sailor. So the feeling comes out in the tune. So ni'n dechrau gyda Tristwch Farewell i'r Marian i'r Morwr. Ac wedyn ni'n mynd mlaen I Nith y Gog, sydd tipyn yn fwy bywiog, ac ni'n gorffen gyda galw Hen Ferchetan. So the middle tune is the Cuckoo's Nest. You get versions in England, in Scotland and in Ireland. And then the final one is a song, Hen Ferchetan. Hen Ferchetan is the old flirt who doesn't have a lover. But then, right at the end of the song, she comes across Sean Priest, who says a word to her at the end, and everything's all right. Right, here we go. Set Hen Ferchetan.
Chetan wedi colli cariad, ffoddi-rodi-rol-rol. Cael yn arall dyn o'i gyfyriad, ffoddi-rodi-rol-rol. Ond nid oes un o lancad pentra, ffoddi-rodi-rol. Am brio deulu sef o'n rende, ffoddi-rodi-rol-rol. Chetan sydd Whistles as yes, seen in the convincio, under the valley, and newlet, go. Did I slay me, Mr. Van English and my husband in the Adjunct, we can sell with us and every order is a Let's on priest and back on the Sala, Guide on the head of the go, but I'll run me some of
Wel, diolch yn fawr iawn. Newn ni'r un ola nawr, ond cyn i fi wneud hynny, hoffwn ni riolch yn fawr iawn I nifer o bobl. Let's say thank you to a number of people. Thank you for the Millennium Centre for giving us the stage to present our music, and a special thank you to all the friends who've come today to play, our session players. We've had extensive rehearsals, which took an hour yesterday, so some of them we didn't actually quite get around to rehearsing till now. So thank you very much for your enormous contribution. Don't you think they were sounding lovely? Yeah, well played. Arbennig. But and diolch yn fawr, diolch o galon I chi. Thank you very much to you for listening to us. We hope you'll preach the word further. If you want to buy a CD of the Clera, a bigger orchestra than us, well, more polished, I've got some copies. Or if you want some music, put out a beast, easy tunes to learn, I've got copies here. If you want leaflets, please take one of Clera, the society. If you want to join Clera, that's marvellous. Or leaflets on the tune clubs, Cymru Daflen. Right, here's the final one. This is one we always finish the session with in the Caio on a Monday night. And this song was nearly the national anthem of Wales. I'm wondering whether it's the name of the tune that put it off when the chapels began taking hold in Wales. It's called Glân Medd Dod Mwyn, which is sweet mellow drunkenness. Right, and anyway, dyma ni, Glân Medd Dod Mwyn. Diolch yn fawr I chi. Thank you very much for being such a lovely audience and for hearing our music.